doing today? Today I'm mobile, out and about in the city, but I just wanted to go ahead and post a video real quick about all the stuff that's going on with the stocks and the tariffs. Now, not all stocks are doing as bad as you would think. Of course, if you're just looking at it from the outside in or just from like a snapshot version of the stock market, you see all this red and you think, oh my goodness. But let's look at it a little bit deeper. For instance, look at IM Gold. Even though it's in the red, look at the progress it was able to make today. It started at $5.90 this morning in the pre-market, jumped up 46 cents, 50 cents. Yeah. So right there we see that just because everybody's all doom and gloom, it doesn't mean that you still can't be out here making money. You just got to be more precision. You know, all those little vanity stocks, all them little fat stocks. Ooh, I want to trade Nvidia. I want to trade Apple. I want to trade Tesla. Man, that stuff is for like the hedge funds. It has absolutely nothing to do with regular people. This is where it's at. Gold. And I'm not giving any type of financial advice. I'm just saying, this is what worked for me today. I was looking. I was like, you know what? I know those big stocks, everybody's saying they're going to get hit hard, and they got hit hard. But meanwhile, some of these smaller stocks and stocks that have nothing to do with a tariff, like gold, are still doing good. Now, the cool thing about IM Gold, if you go down here, not only does it have a good PE ratio right here, 4.223, not only does it have a good value of 7.61 million, today's high being $6.53. I think that was probably near the open. But let's go even further down. IM Gold price target raised to $15 from $13.50 at National Bank. That's it right there. This is only going to get better, according to the National Bank. So I'm just saying, you know, it's not all doom and gloom right here. I think tomorrow I may take half my assets and go ahead and put it in here. I got the other ones in realty just because of obvious reasons. You know, you got that, where is it at? That 5.48% dividend yield. So I'm in that for the long run, but I'm definitely going to be looking at IM Gold a little bit, a lot, you know. And I can tell the world gets a little bit better. The only stocks I may trade or even put money in will probably be IM Gold as well as Realty Group. Lucid's all right, but Lucid, the issue with Lucid is you got a lot of shorters. Shorters love Lucid. As soon as Lucid makes any type of like headroom, they short it. They knock it down. They keep it right above VWAP. If you notice right here, whole week it's been the same thing. As soon as it gets up to that line right there, it's like it automatically just goes back down. And I think that's just how it's going to be for the for the foreseeable future. You know, Lucid's a cool idea and everything, but until they make some serious strides, they're forever just going to be shorted. They got the value. You know, the volume's there, but they do not. Somebody doesn't want Lucid to get above 250. And with Elon going back to Tesla now and getting back to work, it's going to be even a lot harder. You know, so that's just something. Now, on the other note, if you're looking for some stocks that really could care less about any of these tariffs that are going on, Big Pharma. Big Pharma. You see that plus 67%? That's during the tariffs. Now, obviously, it's gone down now, but you can see right there was a jump from yesterday to today from 24 cents to 41 cents. Farmer does not care. Farmer does. You see that 134, $2.22. Farmer don't care. So if you're trying to do any type of day trading and you like a whole bunch of different stocks, but you don't want to have to worry about all these tariffs and everything that's going on with it, look at these pharmaceuticals. Look at these pharmaceuticals. Look at them. You see what I'm talking about? Tariffs mean absolutely nothing to us. Get that money. You understand what I'm saying? Don't believe the hype. Don't let all that propaganda get all in your head. It means nothing. It's just a bunch of people doing whatever they usually do to try to manipulate the market. But it means absolutely nothing to real traders. Matter of fact, I came across a little something earlier. Sunova Energy. This is an energy company. Sunova Energy International energy services company engages in the provision of responsive energy management solutions. So they do like solar energy and stuff like that. 33 cents. Started out at, I got in actually this morning. Let's see, it says 32, but I got in at 31 cents. Now I've been riding it ever since. I want that thing to hit 40 cents before I get out. Based out of Houston, Texas. Average volume 36.11 million. Volume 10.32 million. It's a little down, but we still there. Even with a bad PE ratio. If you look at it all week, it's never gotten under 30 cents. Which means when that thing is low, I'm getting in. When it's hitting like 30, 31 cents, I'm getting in. 35 cents, 36 cents, I'm getting out. I'm getting my money that way. Sunova Energy appoints interim CFO amid debt strategy. So they're working on their debt. Even with 0% buy from the analysts, I could care less. Analysts don't know what they're talking about. Hedge funds ownership of Nova increased by 637K. So that right there does not match what that says right there. So we're going to keep on making money. We could care less what happens. We could care less about a tariff because it don't affect people who know how to use their brain. And that's all it is. I'm Mike Dub 27 Trader and I'm out. Deuces.